Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this lab is just recently updated and the NetApp UI also updated. So I request you please follow the way I am doing this lab, because there are some commands which are not properly configured, and because of that you might face unnecessary error. So I request you please watch the video and I will try to explain each and every step in detail. So first of all, just log in with your credentials and activate your cloud shell. Okay, it will take a couple of seconds, so just wait for that. Meanwhile, just click on continue. Meanwhile, come on the task number 1, set up a service account, and now here just copy this first command. Just wait for a couple of seconds and run over here. Okay, now just copy the second command and run over here. Wait for a second, click on authorize. Now it will take a couple of minutes to execute this command. You can just search for the VM instance, open this thing in new tab. Okay, and it's done. Now just simply scroll down, click on check my progress, copy this command and run over here. And done. Now what you have to do is just go back to your VM instance, click on this external IP, and it will open in the new tab. Now just come over here, copy your username, come back over here. Now click on the sign up, paste the email ID over here. Now for the password, I recommend you please use this password and paste over here. Now for the company name, I'm just giving Google. Now type Qwiklabs and just simply click on sign up. Now click on this accept and simply click on continue. Wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, if you face like this kind of issue, no need to worry. I glad that I faced the issue, because that time what you have to do, again go back to your VM instance, again click on this external IP. Now you can just close that tab. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds, and now just type user both the time and just simply click on let's get started. Now it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes, so just kindly wait for that. Meanwhile, if you just simply click on check my progress for these two tasks, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, now just wait for 2 to 3 minutes and we will continue with the remaining task. And it's finally done. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. Now click on this cross option. Okay, now click on this gear icon. From here click on this connector setting. Now click on this and uncheck this checkbox and simply click on save. Now this thing will be off. Okay, once it's done, click on BlueXP, click on add working environment. From here choose GCP, and now click on this, and if you just click on this down arrow, you can see the single node. So you have to just choose the single node, click on add new. Now wait for a couple of seconds, the page will be load. Okay, now what you have to do over here, just search or type the your cluster name. I'm just giving cluster name as Qwiklab. Now here for the password, just copy this password. If you remember, while we are creating the account, we have used this password, so just give that password. Just simply click on continue. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now just disable this thing, click on this cross and click on continue. Just wait for a second. Now here we have to just choose the US Central 1 as a region and US Central 1A as a zone. If it's so, click on that checkbox and click on continue. Now here choose the freemium and click on continue. From here choose change configuration, then click on change version. From here choose the oldest version 9.7 and click on apply. From here choose the N1-4 and just simply click on continue. From here choose standard and 100 GB. Click on continue. Click on continue. Now here what you have to do, just simply scroll down and from here on the point number 18 you will get this credentials. So just copy this name, paste over here. Okay, now for the size type 10 and here please pay attention, for the snapshot policy we have to choose none. You can check from here also, we have to make sure the snapshot policy must be none. Click on continue. Now click on continue again. From here just simply click on this both the check boxes and click on go. Now this thing is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes, so kindly wait for that and make sure that your laptop will not go for a sleep. So just wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then we are continuing the lab. and after a couple of minutes the thing has been done. Now just simply double click over here. Okay, now what you have to do, just simply scroll down and click on this check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. Now just simply come over here, copy this command, go back to your dashboard and run over here. And it's done. Now just go back to your virtual machine and click on this refresh. So here you can see Linux VM. Okay, now click on this SSH. Now just simply scroll down, and here please pay attention guys. Okay, now first of all I will recommend you, please open the online notepad. Okay, first of all just do that thing, open the online notepad. Now what you have to do, first of all just copy this command. Okay, go back to your SSH, click on this retry if you get this kind of error. Okay, let me just increase the text size over here. Okay, fine. Now just copy this first command. Okay, now run over here, then copy this command and run. Okay, now do not copy this command. Okay, I will tell you how to configure this command. So basically what you have to do, just go back to your NetApp and from here click on this view volumes, and from here click on this manage volumes, and here click on mount. Now copy this command, go back to your notepad and here just type sudo like this, then paste this command which you copy from here. Okay, let me just increase the text size so that you can see. Okay, now what you have to do, just copy this directory path. Okay, copy that and make the changes over here like this. Okay, your command must look like this. Now copy this command, go back to your SSH and run. You have to do that, do not run this command. Okay, now just simply come over here, no need to run the 11th command, but you have to run this command, point number 12 command. Just copy that and run over here. Okay, so you have done with that. Once you're done, click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. And if you just forget to run this command, you won't get a score on the latest task. Okay, now what you have to do, if you just remember, when we are creating a cluster, we just keep the snapshot policy as none. So we had to just make that change. So just go back to your NetApp, then click on this volumes, again click on manage apps, and from here click on this added volume setting, and from here choose the snapshot policy as default and click on apply. Okay, so we have done with this thing, all these 3 points. Now what we have to do, we have to create a copy of our snapshot. So again click on this manage volume, then click on this protection action, and from here click on this create a snapshot copy, click on that and simply click on create. So you have done with this task also. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, now just copy this command for the restoring from the NetApp. So just copy this, go back to your SSH and run. Okay, now no need to run the point number 2, point number 3 and point number 4. Okay, just simply come on the point number 5, copy this command and run over here. Okay, now just copy this green thing, copy that, go back to your notepad and just remove this thing and just paste over here, which you copy from your SSH window. Now just simply scroll down. Now here just copy this command, copy that, go back to your notepad, paste this command, and here just copy this thing, copy this, and just from the manually till here just remove that and paste. Your command must look like this. If it's so, copy this, go back to your SSH and run. And you are done with this command also. Now no need to run this command and this command, just run this different command. So just copy that and run, and you will get this kind of output. Now once you're done with that, if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just restore our snapshot. So basically go back to your NetApp and now click on this manage volume and then click on this protection action, and from here click on this restore from the snapshot copy. And now no need to make any changes, just make sure that you have to choose this manual. Okay, like this and simply click on restore. Okay, it will take a couple of seconds, so just wait for that. And if you just simply click on refresh, you can see there are two volumes and see data 1 underscore restore. Okay, so we have done with this task also. Now what you have to do, copy this command. Okay, 11 point command, copy from lab instruction, go back to your SSH and run. Okay, but for the 12th point command you don't have to copy that. We have to again configure this thing which we copy do previously. So just go back to your NetApp, and this time you have to click on this data underscore restore manage volume. Okay, make sure you have to click over here, then click on this mount command, and now copy this thing. Now go back to your notepad, remove all the previous stuff, type sudo and paste that thing which you copy from here. Okay, now just simply scroll down, copy this directory, copy that, go back to your notepad and just simply make the changes over here like this. Your command must look like this. Copy this, go back to your SSH and run. Done. You are done with all the stuff. Now just simply scroll down and click on check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. You don't have to do anything. Just come over here and click on check my progress and wait for a couple of seconds. The score will be updated. And as you can see, we got a score. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. So I have updated all the labs and all the updated lab also upload over here. So thanks for watching guys. Have a good day. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Bye.